In this video, I will show you how to remove or delete this TubeBuddy extension that's visible on your YouTube channel permanently if you no more using it. So let's get started. First, we need to click this three-dotted vertical icon. Next, from this drop-down menu, we need to click the Settings tab. And in Chrome Settings page, we need to click Extensions tab on the left side of the page. And in the Extensions page, we can disable TubeBuddy Chrome extensions temporarily by click this toggle button. We can go back to YouTube to confirm TubeBuddy extension is disabled on YouTube site. And Done is disabled on YouTube site. Or we can remove TubeBuddy extensions permanently with this Remove button. And Done completely. With this we have come to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when we add new content.